Christ. I think we are aggressively running out of daylight hours. What's not happening? Oh no. No, I was indicating. Anyway, beautiful Sunday. I wanted to get a video in today, but we've been doing housework like flooring. We've now got a new log burner in, which has well chocolate. So yeah, we are. But I wanted to show you a new mod that I bought. I don't know why I bought this mod, for a few reasons. One, I think I'm going to sell it this year. I know that's weird to say because I don't think I want to, but I feel like I'm going to do it. I'm going to sell it, and I'm going to get something new and something else to work on, and try something different, I think. So at the moment in my head is to sell, but I know that the decision comes down to me at the end of the day and no one else, even if people have given me nice offers already. Yeah, I don't know, because it needs a little bit of love. There's a few things that have come up recently that I want to talk about in different videos. Anyway, this mod I wanted to buy ever since I've done things. I don't want to give it away too much because it gives away the little surprise. But it's a little mod for the interior, and hopefully it's going to add a bit more of a cool look to the insides in this there for it's a bit of a safety feature as well. But hopefully you guys like this. And from raising the exhaust in the last video, it's so much better now. It doesn't even knock on the big sleepers around town, so that's quite good. It seems to be a good fix so far. But anyway, I'm going to put this mod on now. Just roughly put it in place just so you guys can see it, and then yeah, we'll have a little look before it gets too dark. I'm trying to install them, but they're in the boot. Can I get it? Wow, belts and things, man, looks red. I don't know if this is the newer one or the older one. That's the older one. So now you've seen them, I'm just going to explain them. This is the red harnesses. OMP. Do you know why we got OMP? Look at that! Wow, it matches and everything. I spoke to people with 3-inch, I think. Yeah, maybe 3-inch. 3-inch and 2-inch belts. People did say to go for 2-inch, but unfortunately no one was selling 2-inch at the time, so that's pretty much 2-inch. Trying to make a video. Back to it. Oh god, there we go. So yeah, I found them on Facebook Marketplace. One is 2021 and the other's like 2015. Obviously a little bit more well used, probably needs a bit of a clean if anything with some detergent. But I thought they were quite cool. Like I said, the upper strap is a bit thick. 2-inch versus 3-inch. So there is obviously, yeah, it's quite thick on the upper strap. A lot of people said that the big straps aren't too bad, but obviously if you're in the summer when you're wearing a t-shirt and stuff, they say they can get a little bit uncomfortable, but we will see if I have it then. But obviously there's a few reasons why I got this. The steering wheel, not having an airbag, is probably the main one. Yeah, just for that safety reason I haven't got the airbag, so I needed a harness. Unsure if I'm going to install this now, depending on how fast I sell. I did tell myself I wanted to keep it for this summer and have one last good summer in the car, but then I know the best time to sell it will be just before summer, when everybody wants to do what I wanted to do in it. I don't really know if you can force these through, in all honesty. We're gonna. Yeah. Hopefully that's the right one. Yeah, yeah, so I think a 3-inch probably is on the bigger side, but I found these on Facebook Marketplace for a good price. They're about, I think brand new, they're £110 each, £120 each. And I got 2 for a little bit less than that, so I thought it was quite good. But like I said, whether I just end up selling them again or leave them with the car for the new owner, I don't really know. We shall see, hey. A bit indecisive, as you probably tell from the last video as well. We'll skip this bit, it's prime viewing, isn't it? Amazing. They're very dramatic, aren't they? feel like now it's like, ooh, all red. Oh, Jesus Christ. Is it too much or is it wow cool? I'm a bit on the fence. I like it. And I've seen them with them before, and obviously the OMP matches the wheel. So we've sort of gone for the red, yellow and black now really. But so obviously in the back of the car they would sort of, it's a bit dark. They would run straight back and obviously wrap up on the cage, and then I think there's a certain way that you wrap it around with the actual buckle. How much do I want it? It's hard to install these when the belt's not tucked behind you, because the straps are chunky as anything. Taking my car to a whole nother level of, I need that. Cool or no cool, you decide. I just feel like, yeah, again, safety reasons, but that's a good stay. Car culture points. Quick buckle as well. Didn't want none of the, obviously it's only a, well, what was it, a 4-point harness. Didn't want it with the buckle in the middle. I'm not sure what they're called. I think they're mainly with 5-point though. And it's got the multi-buckle in the centre. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Nice quick easy video hopefully for a Sunday night. A new mod, I'm going to put the other one in now as well, and yeah, let me know what you think down below. I know there's quite a few people that messaged me on Instagram as well afterwards, the last video 3 weeks ago, whatever it was, saying don't sell it, you'll regret it. And I know I will regret it, because I think whatever you sell that you've had for a while you will regret. But I feel like for the channel, for me as a little bit of a car person, it'd be nice to experience other cars and fix them up and do exciting things. I always watch Matt Armstrong, Lee Lockwood and people like that, always buying different cars, modifying them, then selling them, and then doing the same thing again, fixing them up. I think it's quite interesting. It's quite a good thing. I've got my van that I use day-to-day basis with work and sort of general plodding around town. I'm on M's Audi A1 insurance now as well, the beast. So it isn't really needed. It's more of a toy, but I think it'd be quite cool to get a car to work on and drive and experience other car cultures. I think it'd be quite cool. So again, let me know what you think down below. I'm gonna do a little bit more filming now. Drop us a comment, drop us a like, and I appreciate you guys watching. Cheers. What to do?